Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about the Leonardo AI Video Generator. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Leonardo AI account. Once logged in, click on the Motion tab where you will see different options. You can either upload an image or select one from your previous generations. To use an existing image, go to Your Generations, select an image, and click Confirm. Next, adjust the motion strength. A setting of 7 works well for smooth animations. Once selected, click Generate. The process will take some time. Now, this feature is not currently available for free users, so you will need to get a paid plan. After generation, go to the Library tab where the final animated video will be available. Click on it to preview and download. This method allows you to create AI-generated animations quickly and easily. So that's basically all about the Leonardo AI Video Generator. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.